This video is brought to you by Ampulla. Hello and welcome back to Simple Tech Reviews. On this occasion, we'll be having a look at the Ampulla Pluto 2K HD dashcam. The Ampulla Pluto is a sturdy built dashcam that records clear 2K HD video, has many recording resolutions including 2560x1080 and 2304x1296, has different HDR modes built in for clear night recording, and runs on an Ambarella A7 core processor. It is also made out of a metal frame with plastic accents that make it feel very well built and durable. Let's begin with the unboxing. We first see the user manual, a thank you card, a tips sheet, the Ampulla Pluto dashcam, the micro USB ladder socket power adapter that comes with a USB charging port, the adjustable windshield suction mount, a spare micro USB cable, and an installation toolkit that includes a microfiber cleaning cloth, a USB card reader, a wiring plastic tool, cable organizers, and double-sided tape to route and install the power cable. Having a closer look at the dashcam, on the front we have the 170-degree wide-angle lens with an aperture of f2.0, the speaker and microphone. On the back we see the 3-inch TFT LCD screen. On top there's the micro USB power port, the mounting slot, the reset button, and the record OK button. On the left is the micro SD card slot up to 64 GB and the LED indicator. On the right, the buttons for mode and emergency file lock, up, down, and menu and power. And on the bottom, the mini HDMI video out port. To install the dashcam, first place and secure the suction mount on your windshield. Attach the camera using the mounting slot. Plug the micro USB power cable to the camera and connect the ladder power adapter so that the camera begins recording as soon as you turn your vehicle on. Let's now have a look at the different functions on the camera. As stated before, the Ampulla Pluto dashcam comes with many different recording resolution options. They are loop recording can be set to 1, 2, 3, 5 or 10 minutes. You can set the 7-level G sensor sensitivity, turn motion detection on or off, turn wide dynamic range on and off to help improve even more on the night videos, use the parking monitor and set its recording length, make a time-lapse recording, set the language, and format the SD card. In the end, the Ampulla Pluto is a well-built and durable dashcam that records crisp and clear 2K video during day and night. With a great deal of video resolutions to choose from to meet your specific needs, 1296p Super HD recordings, and with HDR built right into the settings, the Ampulla Pluto is a road companion that won't disappoint. If you'd like to check out the Ampulla Pluto dashcam, don't forget to click on the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing, commenting, and sharing. Up next are the video sample clips. I'll see you on the next review.